disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good, good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Finished styling this week, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please I'm gonna tell y'all one thing about RPG Show. They gonna send me this paper with the specs, and I love it. Okay, the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by RPG Show, so shout out to you, boo, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the name of this unit is Wigs by Charisse 034. The order number is WD04. The texture is silky. The length is 14 inches. The hair color is the color of the picture, child. So basically this color, which is like, I would say like a number 2 with some 30 highlights. Like, child, that's just me adding my own little sun in there. That's what it looks like to me. I got the cap size one. The cap construction is a 13x4 a 13x6 glueless lace front wig. It's 200% density, and it's tinted transparent Swiss lace, which means that, and it's light brown, child. Okay, honey, my favorite thing about RPG show is, honey, I ain't have to bleach this wig, girl. Okay, I ain't have to tweeze, oh girl, okay? I ain't have to do none of the things. She woke up like this. Okay, that's my favorite thing about units from this company. Also, I didn't really have to curl it. Now, I did decide to curl the front some just to, you know, kind of frame it more so towards to my face. But the rest of it, I did not curl whatsoever. And you guys know you girl love that because you know you girl lazy. Okay, so I love that about this unit. As far as shedding and tangling, honey, I did not receive any of the tings. It's not to say that any other things won't happen. It's just that straight out of the packaging, none of the tings happen, if you feel me. Okay, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. Okay, so I love all of that about this unit. It says that it is silky, but you know, every time I get a unit from this company and they say it's silky, it's not that Barbie doll silky. It's like that in between yucky. It's not super yucky and it's not super silky. It's that perfect in between. So it says silky, but it's not giving silky to me. Y'all let me know if y'all feel like it's coming off as silky, but I think it gives off like I went and got my hair freshly blowed out and flat iron or something like that. That's kind of like the vibe it gives. It does not give that super silky feel, in my opinion, or even maybe even relaxed. Like, y'all let me know what y'all think down below. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Oh, wait, I also want to go ahead and comment on whether or not it's big head friendly. I do feel like this unit, the size 1 that I have is more so small to medium head friendly. I would recommend if you have a larger head, I had this on a larger spectrum, I would recommend you getting like the size 2, because I said I had size 1, y'all. Yeah, I have size 1. I would recommend you getting it in a larger size if you feel like you wear a larger cap size, because this one, in my opinion, is definitely geared towards small to medium head friendly. So now we can get into my pros and cons as well as the full 360. So if you're interested in that, then please continue to watch. Alright, sis, so you guys know I like to start with the cons, so I like to end on a high note. So my con with this unit is going to be that it says it's 200% density, but it's definitely given 180% density in my opinion. You guys know I ain't nobody's expert, but that's what it's given. I love the fact that it is given that. I don't think I would want it to be super like thick. I like that it has more of a natural feel, but I have to throw it out there as a con because it says 200% density, but it's giving me 180. Yeah, so that's gonna be my con. My pros is I love the everyday length. I feel like this is definitely giving me mom hair, but if I wanted to, girl, I can turn it into sexy hair, and I love that because honestly, let me fix this up a little bit, y'all. I ain't trying to be out here looking crazy for the rest of the video. Honestly, I love that because I don't like super long hair every day. Like, I like something sexy, you know, if me and my man are going out and about in these streets, honey. But every day, I'm somebody's mama, and somebody's mama don't want hair everywhere while I'm trying to clean, and while I'm trying to cook, while I'm trying to do homework, while I'm trying to go to basketball games. I'm not trying to be the bad mom at the basketball games or the parent conferences, you know what I'm saying? So I love a good everyday wig that I can transform or make it look more sexy if I need to. All of a sudden go somewhere with the girls or go somewhere with my man. But I like that it offers the versatility of that, okay? Because when it's something that's super long or super colorful or whatever, it gives more so of that sex appeal that I just only want when I'm out and about in these streets, girl, okay? So I love that. I love the color. I love the texture. I love that I did not have to tweeze over girl and do none of the things because you know your girl lazy. So those are my pros. Now you know I recommend this wig, okay? Especially if you are a mom or especially if you are a beginner. Girl, I just recommend it. If you need a good everyday wig, this is your girl. This is a good everyday unit. I love this wig, y'all. Like, I ain't gonna hold you, sis. I love this wig. I just feel like it's the perfect unit. And honey, I'm probably gonna be wearing it all weekend because Juicy got a basketball game. And then we got other stuff that we doing with the kids. this is the perfect hair for that. Okay, I don't need to be sexy out here trying to do stuff with my children. Okay, now next weekend I'm gonna have to find something long and sexy. Okay, but yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it as much as I am feeling it. Comment down below, sound off in the comments, because I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to URPG Show for sending me yet another gorgeous unit. I truly do appreciate it. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat and on Disastrous Beauty on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely got every